Ekipi Diska Študent in Faveja ste v prisilnem izgnanstvu v mladinskem centru v Zgornji Šiški, na Vodnikovi 141. Nikjer, kjer se dogaja zabava za mlade te sorte, kjer se nemoralna in razoradna mladina razkraja v apokaliptičnem vzdušju hedonizma, ne gre brez problemov. Program je zaenkrat omejen na underground disko in videoerotične seanse, ob sobotah Favi Disko.
Muzika svetovno trendovska in maksimalno plesna. Funk,
New Wave,
novi rock
in
funk.
During preparations, we kept glancing through the window towards a group of Shishka guys gathering in front of a cafe. It slowly dawned on us that they were not there by chance. We were on their territory. They beat us up, it was awful. But the next time the campus security beat them up, thus began our fruitful cooperation with the security people. The last vestiges of a theater disco have been shed. From now on, we simply run a disco club. And then came a long, hot summer. No rain, no cold, a frantic sweating time. We carry around video recorders, cameras, adapters, cables, by bike, by taxi, from the student campus to Shishka, to the gallery and back. When we finally get the hall, the concert season starts in full swing. One of the first being in protest of Vidmar's imprisonment. And then, the first hardcore concerts of the local bands followed. The old punks don't like this new generation. Kids from rich families, they say. The hot summer is followed by a productive autumn, an autumn of recognition and truth. Borgesia perform at the New Rock Festival and at the Symposium.
Kaj je alternativa? To vprašanje si bomo zastavljali 4. in 5. novembra.
Teoretski del.
Govorile bodo najbolj učene slovenske glave.
Spektakelski del.
Prvi večer smetana ljubljanskega hardkora, UBR, SDA in odpadki civilizacije.
Drugi večer mračna Borgezija in plesni Markus Pet.
Srečanje brez pretenzije po skupnih izhodiščih in celo brez pretenzije po istem jeziku. Teh pretenzij ne potrebujemo, ker nas zanimajo prav razlike v naših položajih, okusih, izhodiščih, stališčih, jezikih.
Kdo je tukaj in kdo bi še bil tukaj kot nastopajoč. Nastopajoč to pomeni, da se priglasi k besedi, ki traja 10 minut.
Boldly into a new era and new premises. This is our slogan. When they threw us out of Student, we went to Shishka. We're opening a new video club. FV will tour Slovenia and Yugoslavia, spreading the theory and practice of youth clubs, which combine fun, culture, and politics. All this would not be possible if we had not bought our own loudspeakers, instruments, and video equipment.
Later on, the Marxist Center of the Central Committee of the League of Communists of Slovenia organized a debate on the role and activities of the so-called alternative cultural centers in Ljubljana and throughout Slovenia. It was decided that this creative part of cultural activity, increasingly isolated, deserved much more attention.
Zvesti branje na socialno-moralni ali aktivistični kontekst.
Vidva sta oba prišla primerjati in kako se vam zdi tukaj?
Ja, jaz mislim, da bi
Če bi s tem recimo lahko nadaljevali, se enkrat mesečno, mislim, da je bila to sprejemljiva situacija.
Zgodovina boja proti kulturi vladajočega razreda. Omogočiti realizacijo projektov posameznikov ali interesnih skupin. Množična kultura potrebuje svoje laboratorije, studije, delavnice.
Alternativke in alternativci.
V sredo 13. junija se odpirajo vrata novega kluba v kleti na Kersnikovi 4.
Tradicija plus inovacija je enako K4.
Iz kleti v klet do končne zmage!
Prepuni mozak, namitovaj prošlosti. To je samo dio, no neće druge mladosti.
Takole je to. Za sredinske in odklonske, za ortodoksne in alternativne, ženske in možače, vendar samo in edino le za ženske.
Lilith prvič odpira svoja vrata v sredo 3. aprila ob 19.
Začenja pri korenu z diskusijo o ženski seksualnosti.
Since K4 closed down, we've lived from the money we got for the naked city. Oh, that night on amphetamines. A long night. And a cold morning. And Yuri's truck. And Yuri. That night we took all the equipment back to Kersnikova. That night was a final farewell to discos and to organizing youth clubs. This is a farewell to the last place we had. I guess we've all had enough. A bleak, cold period.